How to remove green screen in YouCut. First of all, open the YouCut app. Here I will import an image where I want my object to be placed after removing the green screen. Next, tap on PIP to add another image. Here I will import the image that has a green screen background. Once your image is loaded on the timeline, tap on the green screen image layer to activate editing options. Now, scroll through the toolbar and look for the Chroma option. Tap on it and you'll see a color picker appear on the screen. Drag the picker to the green area of your image and the app will automatically detect and highlight the green background. Adjust the screen slider to fine-tune how much of the green screen gets removed. A higher value will remove more of the green, but be careful not to overdo it, as it might affect parts of your subject if they have similar colors. Next, use the shadow slider to smooth out any rough edges and make your image blend more naturally. Once you are satisfied with the results, tap the check mark to apply the changes. If needed, you can go back and tweak the chroma settings until you are happy with the result. You can do the same with the video for removing the green screen. And that's it. Now you know how to remove green screen in YouCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.